After winning this title, the champion seems to be riding high.
Any champion's riding high. Cole, what do you want them to skulk around, bum that they're the best?
And that's not what I meant. Forget it.
Oh, wait a minute. Wheelbarrow right into it. Inside
The champ with the cover.
Retains the title.
That match deserves another look, folks.
Here is your winner,